Hello everyone, Miranda here. Welcome to Website Training Module 3, Navigation. I'm going to be running through the key pages on the website, the collection pages, and a detailed look at the product pages. So let's start. We're going to start on the home page of the website because that's where most people come to when they log in. Okay, so on the home page, we have the main carousel, which is this top box that changes, revolves. So there's 3 different content pieces here, our spring collection, a link to a blog, and then we have a link to our social media, Instagram. So that's the top. That changes periodically. When we have a new collection, it changes. When we have a new blog, it changes. If we have some fun new pictures we want to share, we'll change that. And it nearly always will have a link which you can get to by pressing a button in the middle of it. So at the top is our menu bar here. It has the 6 different main menu items of the 3 different markets and then supplies, collections, and outlet. When you hover over each of them, there's a drop down. So when you click just on the home decor main category itself, it will take you to what I call a landing page, which is the primary page of content about that topic. Those pages are still developing and I'm making them better and better all the time, and with the help of our new graphic designer, Michelle, they're going to become quite pretty. At the moment, most people just hover and go straight to the product categories, which is, most people on the website to buy or look at our products, so that's where they're going. Marine awning industrial, or as it was called before, specialty, when you hover, that can take you to fabrics, flooring, or the marine awning industrial resources. Very soon, home decor and contract will also have resource pages, so keep an eye out for that. So if you click there, I'll just take you there. It's a good resource and it's going to be developing at the moment. There is a specialty product listing for 2009, the English version and French version. The supply catalogs are going to be going there, any new PDFs, product information pieces. When we do, Durapel feature PDF, we're going to be putting it on the website, just giving more people access to our nice content that we're developing. Supplies, there's a link to the supply catalogue here, and our new supply catalogue will also be linked on this Marine Awning Industrial Resources page. Collections. Collections has 3 different buttons you can click on. Spring 2009, which is our most recent collection, Marine Awning Industrial Collections, and All Collections. All collections means all our quote-unquote decorative collections, so excluding the marine awning industrial collections, because we've tried to segment those markets a little bit. So all collections, when you click on it, all our sample vehicles, all our stack books that we've done, listed alphabetically. So if it's a colour book, this one's called Aura Collection, it's number 1 because it's Aura Collection, not because it's sub-collections are called Refresh, Relax, and Cheerful. So just think about that. What's the colour collection's name, and then that's where it will fit in the alphabet, and then you can scroll and look through them all. At the moment, I have some of them that have a link when you click on the image and some just with this word. I'm slowly making all the images clickable to take you straight to the collection because I know that's easier navigation for people. But at the moment, just try and remind yourself and other people that you need to click View the Collection. In the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be working with the developers, so when you hover over a link on our website, it's going to turn NS blue, which will just give it more clarity to people of what's a link and what's not a link to try and improve the user experience for the website, which is what we're always trying to do. So as I've spoken to you now about this top bar, did you notice that when you scroll down, it's always there. The main menu bar is always at the top. Your logout button, admin, and account, your logout button and account button will always be there. Your search bar will always be in the top left once you scroll down a page. And right at the very bottom of the page will always be our footer. And that is this blue box that houses quite a bit of interesting information. Firstly, a very quick, easy way to get to our address and phone number if you forget it or if you need to tell someone on the spot. And also there is a bunch of different links here that you can click. So our story takes us to a nice page about the story of NS Fabrics. Contact us takes us to a bunch of different, one contact form that people can fill in with a bunch of different key emails, and customers like to use that. our team is headshots and blurbs of our executive and a bit about Jim. Our blog, careers page, when we have any vacancies, that will go there, and then a link to our Vision Fabrics website. Warranty information, our privacy policy, and then links to our 3 key social media channels at the moment. So a blog's always a good place to check in on. You'll normally know when there's been a new blog post because it'll be posted about on social media, or you'll see it on the homepage of the website. Our most recent blog is 5 Excellent Ways to Embrace the Velvet Trend. It's a great blog, if I do say so myself, so go check that out. If you're navigating around the website and you find yourself a little lost, you just go, oh, I don't want to click back so many times, just click the logo. The logo takes you straight back to the homepage. It's a really easy, quick navigational tip that you should definitely tell your customers or people on the phone if they're kind of like, oh, I don't know where I am on the website. You know, click the logo and let's walk you through how to get to where you want to be. So now let's look at a product. Let's go Frank. Caps locked halfway through that word. Okay, let's go Franklin Teal. Now, when you're looking to click on a product, there's 3 places you can click. On the image, on the title, on the description of the product, or on more info. I see people sometimes trying to awkwardly navigate to this button. You don't have to, just click the image, it takes you straight there. So there's 3 different spots you can click to get into the quote-unquote product page, which is what I call when you're on a page that has where you can order a product. It features just one product, and so hence product page. So this is Franklin Teal. A couple different things to run through on this page. On your first, this is how we land. So this is like in the first scroll. So that's what you see in the first scroll. The second scroll, you see the color bar. Are the colors available? So they're all the different, it will rotate through the different colors available in Franklin. And then on your third scroll, you get to the specification table. All product pages are set up like that. If they're supplies and it's not, for instance, thread or something that has multiple colors, they won't have that revolving bar, not yet anyway. So it will just be the main product where you can purchase it, and then the specifications. The specifications, the first 4 lines of specifications are kind of core information that we want people to see very readily. The rest of it is in alphabetical order. So if you've been confused about that in the past, they're alphabetical after the first 4 rows. And the specs will vary depending on how much information that we have on the product. So we're coming back up to the top here now. So we have been working on getting nice new images on the website. So if you can zoom, if you hover over the image, I'm not clicking any buttons, I'm just dragging my cursor around. If you press the zoom button, you will get a bigger image. So all our images are now 1000 by 1000 pixels, or as you can say to people, beautiful high quality images. So once you've clicked zoom, you can right click and save the image to your desktop. You can copy the image. You can copy the image address and paste that in an email as well if you want. There's some extra plugins that you guys won't have, or you can open up the image in a new tab. So that's useful to know. You can press print this page, which takes you to a pop-up screen. Now, depending on what version of Word or Macintosh Microsoft or Macintosh that you're running, it will look a little bit different, but mine opens up and have the option to save as a PDF or print it. That will change slightly, but everyone should have that capability on their laptops. So this is the PDF that it produces for you. Something to note is that all print this page